Muhammad
Didn't look tired at all right now.
Beautiful combination. As we go to the scorecards, the judges have it 30-27, 29-28, and 29-28. All for your winner by unanimous decision. He is still undefeated, the Tajik Eagle.
So this year we have 3 fights and 3 victories in UFC, and first of all I want to congratulate Muhammad Naimov, Muin Gafurov and Nurullo Aliyev, and I want to say this is not just a win for Tajikistan but for all Tajiks around the world. So everybody, all Tajiks, all Persians, keep supporting these guys and keep be proud of them. Zindabad Mardumi Tajikistan, Zindabad